Like Macabinejare. Sometimes we have to play music. Mommy Macy, I greet you, my mommy. Yo. How are you, sweetie? Good evening for this side, Abby. Yes. And happy Sunday, everyone. Come on. Please like and follow this page and help me share this video. Hi people, hi everyone. Share and like and follow this page, guys. Happy Sunday, my love. How are you? How is the family? I catch you one and guess you one. I must enjoy. Happy first Sunday of the month of April. Man, the year is going low. Look at the year you're to the fly right now. The year is flying pian. Hi everyone, Yeah, you guys, happy Sunday. Give me see one. I want Banijore, so I saw, man, I'm trying to get the person where you sing that music. I don't fit, you know. And if I plan, I don't know that they will give me copyright. Osaheru me o. Yore. Osaheru we o. Hello, I greet you. Adieu. Good evening, man. Show mercy. Takabo. Hey, please share this video, guys. Help me share this video. Please, I have a message to pass out to Iyore. Hi, good evening, my darling. I greet you. Eh, Takabo. Oh, you will. At all. Oh, yes, so exactly, guys. Takabo, osawe mane. Osawe me. Osaeru me. Osaeru me. Osaeru we Iyore. Osaeru we. Osaeru me. Osaeru we. Osaeru me. Osaeru me. In the morning. Hello, boy. Kakaba. Eh. In the morning was it turned to joy. Morning. Hi, sweetie. How are you, my love? Eh. This music, in fact, this music makes sense a lot. Eh? Eh? Oh! Oh, Sawese! Kakabo, happy. Hello, I'm CV. I greet you, man. Good afternoon or good evening for your side. Happy Sunday. Your daughter, she did fine though. She's missing you. She said, good evening, ma'am. Your baby is fine. Eh? 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 Oh, God. Oh. Yes. Oh. Adomo. Say many people, but it not go reach many people, though. I wish that they buy pikin. Some people will no fit buy ya. Say me they count money come out. They not go fit. Ima you go there. Eh. Ima you go there. Ima you go there. Eh. Ima you go there. Oh, let me not take on that time, Jare. Like people like us now, we know they take time again. We do our thing, chap. Me I greet my beautiful people in the house. Good evening, everyone. Welcome all back again to this channel. Please like and follow this page. Help me share this video. Put love and like. God bless you all. I just want to quick pass this message to Iyori. Maybe she will see this message. I was one there before. Oh, you see, I saw Iyori video on Aproko. I think it was Aproko, yeah. Aproko share it. I think when Mommy, good evening, ma. I greet you. Mommy Yopi. Ye Manchester. I greet you, ma. So, I think when Rita just come back from Nigeria, she's fine, or whether she's in Nigeria, or Iyori was doing a live video, and somebody was putting a comment on a live video saying that your mates don't marry. Why? Mommy, I greet you. Your mates don't marry, you know. That was the comments. And you see this one man house. And that lady replied, that's how the conversation, thank you, mommy, started. Say, if you want to marry, I sat down to watch that video for A to Z. I don't see anywhere she made sure anybody name on that video, you know, because in your way emi aya zere we think go bless, like go resemble something, you will say make parable, because it resemble my that's why I talk put. I'll see me a comment control put. Before I can't see everywhere, and they was calling her names, insulting her. Not only insult here, you are free to insult people. You are free to call people names if you feel like. One thing that people don't understand in this life is for you to come out to mock people with childbearing. You are not causing that person. You are causing your entire family. You are causing your home. You are bringing problem into your home. And you say that you have children. And though we're normally be normally lab more full. I'm not supposed no get wow. Oh, if you never die, you not go talk, say you will get picking. Or till you don't die, finish. Before you talk, say I don't born. Because you don't know what will happen to yours if you are still alive. You don't know what will happen to yours tomorrow if you are still alive. You can insult someone when somebody insults you on social media. This lady Iyore never come out to insult anybody. She was just making her own video. But they will come out to mock her with childbearing. The same thing they were doing to me before. And they will not tell you, the man will talk any year, they can't see come back, can't talk good. Who is that man that will pronounce a word on you when God Almighty when God not to say this thing go happen to you? Are you God that give children? Children are from God. They are not for men. Some people don't understand when you are mocking somebody with childbearing. And they will have more thing. You may get luck. Say you dey born for free. Don't mock somebody. Don't. It's bad. It's a curse on you. It's a curse on your children. You guys are doing it. But you are causing your own children. When our children are still young, they're never born. You don't know what will happen to our own children tomorrow. You guys will mock people with childbearing. It's bad. It's bad. You guys should stop it. It's not good. Iyore, don't worry. You will have your children. You will have. I get that way. Not let them pay you. Let them say. They're the one that have the maths. Let them say. The only person will never go through her. Now go feel say what they are saying to her is bad or is good. You guys should stop it. It's a cause. There's a limit in saga. There's a limit. Sorry guys, I'm crying. There's a limit. There is a limit. You are causing your own children. You are pronouncing curse on your children. What might happen? Some low-life people thought that they are God. Jennifer don't have no womb. Jennifer don't have this. Wombless. This. That. I didn't allow it to weigh me. Bible says he God be for you. Who can be against you? I was there before. I know how that woman she's feeling. When my useless and stupid head sister, the single mother, brought me out. She think that knowledge she not God they give picking. Now only she get picky where God they give. Or now only a womb na you open pass where God go give. But she can't forget, say she's not God. I will talk and say, I said, now let person will never born away, you know they get belly, na be a gun. And if I know woman will be a gun, where God say it go be a gun. That time before I go talk one thing, the single mother by stupidity we call herself her sister, she go come out. She will say, I gonna be, better woman. She go talk off my phone. Everybody saw it, even my family saw it. They will tell what you are doing is bad. And her children say small. Away I mimo Kenya. She said it. The voice record there. This is the same person who her children was leaving my house for so good many years. When she left her children, she ran to Italy. I took her children from Lagos to my house. I have helped her before, years back, to give her money to travel. But she's the same person that said, I gonna be. But today, I gonna be. Obia. And I told her, wow, where I am Kenya in my time. Or enye muso momo wiyeke. All this one where they talk for live video, he don't get it the way it hurt me. The only one way hurt me now be the useless and stupid her sister. Oh, the rest was nothing to me. The rest was nothing to me. I don't lie. I'm a truth teller. They know in my family. Everybody knows the truth in my family. The same person that can never even help, he also simply say, take 1,000 naira. She go come out for live video. Be say all rubbish, they lie. But even today, she cannot even come live on live video say if our mother is against her out in tomorrow. Or if our mother if you curse her and her children or whatever, because it get what you can do. Your mother will not come back against you. Say, or now, in fact, enough is enough. You are getting out of hand. That is why when I was pregnant, I bought different type of Hollandis. Nikia momo yeke. Now I am your momo yeke. Seriously? Seriously? Are you for real? Where you don't eat my food, you don't drink my water, you don't stay in my house, you and your family, you and your children. I don't help you in one way. No, nah. Unless say these gods are no God, na blind man. You see, for this life, God is see the heart of everybody. He know who get clean hearts. He know who get clean hearts, and he know who get bad minds. He could look everybody. Where the old world saw it, where they was mocking me on this social media. They call names, different names. And people that can name, people when they reach my level, even in this abroad, because I just love social media. People will say government, they take care of them and the children. Or say, many people go for not see money, they buy picking. And many people for not qualify at all. Many people for not qualify at all. There's some people, before they even sleep with a man, they don't get belly. Before they open leg like this, belly don't enter. Why some people miscarriage, but you're the worry them. I was one of them with miscarriage worry. I was one of them. I was one of them. This useless sister, and she knows. She knows. She understands. People who don't go through miscarriage, if they tell you what they go through, you go cry for them. I was one of them who went through few miscarriages in life. That is why where I gonna be, I go to laugh. If they say wombless, I go to laugh. Or if they call different names, I go to laugh because you know why? My womb they carry picking. Do you understand, my people? It's sad. Monkey people with childbearing is a cost on your home, on your side. Not even the person where they monk. God may just look at her and bless her and put it to shame. Just the same how God blessed me when I was pregnant. I never known that I was pregnant. I never. My pregnancy was a miraculous way. It was miraculous one. I don't need a buy ticket. Me I go Nigeria. I don't know say I get belle. April last year was the year when I'm taking. On the 9th of April last year, now I know say I was pregnant. Last year, April, today, this month, now I complete 1 year. Where I know say I get belly. And I be one buy ticket go Nigeria before that April. I never know. I don't say I get belly. And I was working so hard. You see, when they are saying that gonna be, I'll go to work. I earn good money. I'll carry my car, I'll go work. And I was working very well. I don't care about what people are saying. Today is 2nd, on the 9th of April, I get belly. I don't know say I get belly. It was miraculous way. Miraculous one. When I notice I say I get belly, that's when I just stay off on social media. I just back off on social media. Nobody will, know whereabouts I am. Nobody will set eyes on me. Where is this girl? And many few fans was calling me anyway. Say, Jenny, are you okay? I've not been seeing you on social media. I said, I'm fine. I'm okay. I can't lie to them and say I did do one course. And really, I was doing a course. After I stay off, I couldn't do course. I couldn't do online course. And when I get belly. Why I dey talk this my story? My story na everlasting one. Where we say, my pikin go grow. You can't hear. You can't even know the evil sister. Where he carry me go enter social media. Where he call herself Agan. Where he call her children Agan. Where they lie full her tongue. Where we say her mother is against her up to now. All her siblings. She know they talk those ones. She'll say, she'll come out, she'll come a lie. It's okay. The same word, no man, no man. Be patient and have pure hearts. I was this type that I was very patient, pure hearts. The way me tell the F family, if I save that money, I will get estate where I will get anything. Be a cheerful giver. You see that people like Ijore, she's a cheerful giver. People say sometimes I don't really follow her like that. I did like her commenting. This woman never talk to any of you. This another year again. You guys have started mocking her again. what did she do now? She killed na pikin. Oga what here born una children now. Una say she dey cause children. When they was mocking me at that time, that is when I came out, I said, una children will remain barren. Now so I talk am. And so shall it be in Jesus' name. I say, as far as I never felt insult your pikin, and not felt insult any of, including my own ex sister. That's why I say cause that one in children. So as far as me, Jennifer Omo, and never felt insult you or insult your children, direct or indirect, Nike one way again. Your children will remain barren. Men and women will also mock you. They will laugh you and say, iya ganoma beer. And they will call now. That's what I tell God. And that's so it will be. It not will change. If I'm a person who affect cost all these people, children, I know say social media, not the clean video. I know say many bloggers if I go pull out all my videos where I take insult these people, children, say, hey, shut up, stop claiming victim. You are not victim here. Now this video, you take call this person picking. It not day. It not day because if it did, don't forgo bring and comments. They didn't have it because I never comment on my live video to insult anybody, children, for one day. If you got sunu iga guan, I ganoma beer, homeless, this, then they mean that. For that vaccination with that bitterness, and I cause them, and I cause the children say, your children will remain barren. You will feel the pain because I was not barren. I was only I only miscarriage all the time. Now be the sickness where my enemy gets that time. I don't know about Ijore. Thank you, we. This one say, God forgive me. Evil sister that mock me. We never cross paths again, my life. Of course, we never. I can never be friend with her. No in this life, no in the next life. Generation to generation. But one thing, if I set my eyes on her, she will not say heaven and earth is far away. I'm waiting for that day. And that day will come very soon. Let me set my eyes on her face. The world will shake. The thing will shake the world. Say, Jenny, now you do this. I'm a very simple person. But if I hate you, forget to. I feel do gra. I beg me to go. One thing that people don't understand in this life, in all the days, these words what they use so, it's abomination. It's abomination to use such words to people. In all the days, if you're up to now in Nigeria, it's an abomination. But people use it so common on people right now on social media. All those they bully people in Edo cyber place. You already have been to it now. Walk through the lights. It's very sad. We should all try to control our tongue, control ourselves, and control our anger. You never offend anybody now this year. She was just talking about her own self. Say she not go do marriage or whatsoever. But she didn't talk to anyone. She didn't call anyone names or to even insult any of these people. My sister, forgive, but don't forget, they will come and beg you. Thank you, my love. But why call it a name again? Why call it a name? Why use that thing that pains her most to mock her? That thing that pains her. Or that thing which they say, oh God, I wish I just get. Why using it to mock her, to curse her? Why can't you just curse her? Kabo tie bone. At least if you think that she is referring to you, insult her. Call her all different names. Insult the man where they with. Call the man names. Insult the program where she they do. Call her all different names. But leave child something away. Come on, picking away for una month, not just only one person. Come on, picking, come on for una month. Kabot your bonnet. I'm saying this not because say if it happened to me. There are many people where it does suffer put for these things. Let me tell you guys one thing. E.g., I was very little at that time in Nigeria. This one a person will be say, I know very well. Where your sister never born. When your sister never born that time, his stepsister, and not be saying a real, our old stepsister. She used to mock her stepsister that time. I was very little. She used to mock her stepsister that time. Please, guys, share this video and like this video. She don't born reach five times, if I'm not mistaken. Are they very little? Are they young? Before her sister come marry. After 7 years, where her sister spent for the man hands, the woman not born. She can't come out there. Can't go marry another person. Before God can bless her, she can't be born. If I tell her, say, that woman will fed the mock that accept sister. She better she get it that time. She get it by me. Hello, Florida. I greet you. That woman get rich. Is it 8 children that time? I try to calculate. Maybe 8 or 9. If I turn her now, say the pikin we deal with her now in about 4 na remain. 5 die. 5 of that woman pikin don't die. And they die, so they don't die when they young. Oh. They don't die when they little. They don't big. Some don't marry. One of them, police kill one for thief. One die for river. One married, that one died. That one sick die. 5 of that woman pikin na die. No, Willie, I'm not sad. I'm just talking about somebody who did a monk with Peking. Because I was there before, but God bless me. Say, Jennifer, just forget and forgive her. But what it is very bad. I forgive. But after I see born, did she allow me to rest? That woman, her children will don't die for a high 5. They don't big. Her 40 something. 30. They can't die. Be careful what you say to people. Be careful the way you mock people with childbearing. Be careful. When she was doing it, that woman that time, she not think say such all this thing will happen to her. After so many years, again, the time will be say she will take the eat the fruit of her labor. Now those children come they die. You know, say 20 something years in there. 20 years. There's one again where I see no. That one. Na accident na it happen. 4 children and husband die at the same time. At the same time. 4 children and a husband. Then they come for travel. Accidents they happen. You can imagine the kind of pain, fire we did that woman body. She will even get mental problem safe. One see happen for no way. One happen for no way. 3 children die. Trailer now you go eat there for back. Nigeria people. One see happen for Canada now. Una see that one. Be careful. And there was no lab bon for if person will never born, say even insult, for example, say even insult your pikin. Let her be. You say maybe no one be or see, maybe she don't even know the pain her pikin be. You just ignore her. Talk, let's say that person never ever insult your own children. The next thing, oh my guankere, nukaya beer where aganoma beer. And when they come and talk, you say, now she said, come my pikin, me when I lie. You can even bring one record out where this person expected insult your pikin. We should stop this. Not only we African people, they put pikin for heads. Not only we African people, they say pikin, pikin, pikin. A white man will decide not to have children. White man will decide, say, I don't want born. And that white man will get career, will get everything. White woman will decide, say, I don't want to have any children. And they will get money. They will get house. They will get properties. They will get everything. They will say, I don't want to have children. You don't see any of white people will come out, come they mock them. You don't see any white person will come live video, come they mock your fellow white person, say, mama, she don't have no children, she be this. Why we Africa, we are always backwards. Backward all the time. They say if they travel, now part of education. Many of us don't travel out of Africa. But we are still backwards. We are still backward. We don't know anything. Come life. It come like say the Ibiagia. What they do for road work, the road work job. What they do that time, what they fight for road work. Now they come to social media. Sometimes think about what you are saying. If what you are saying, if it's very, if it can hurt you, That means don't say it to other people. Maybe we may be saying this now. Oh, we don't na saga na be saga. You can say anything in saga. There's a limit what you say in saga. Not something like this, like childbearing, mocking people with childbearing. There's a limit with it you go talk. There's a limit. You don't just insult that person, call that person name. Say, oh, you are living fake life, you be this, you know fine, you know be makeup, or you know be dress, or you be, you know, just use different things to mock the person or cause the person. You know why I taught this all these things? Think about your children. Your own children are still very, very young. They are very young. They are very, very young. Hi, good evening, my darling. Linda, I greet you. They are very young. They don't even reach to born now. But you they come and they mock somebody else. What about if you can't happen to your own tomorrow? You can't say na wish, but you can't forget the evil way you do for 10 years ago, 5 years ago, and you don't forget. That woman where a picking there, we reach 4 or 5, we say a picking there. Maybe she don't forget what he do a stepsister 20 years ago. She not go remember again. She not go remember again. But today, she dey suffer put. She dey suffer put. Please. It better say person no even born safe than you come born. Your pikin can't die for your eye. That pain alone is unbearable. It's unbearable. It's better than fire. Go and look at mommy OKH. What we say, he lose her only son. You all saw it on a live video. That woman, if you say people not dead yet, we pin her down. Now another story, we go for the year. Maybe she for that, she for go eat ahead for war, whatever. Maybe I aim you for that. Even right now, she never died. May God give her long life. The kind fire where they are body there, the kind pains which they go through, it's only God Almighty. Now He know. Ijore, my sister. It never too late. Until God thought say it don't late. Ijore, my sister. You are still very young. I also believe say you never reach 50 years. Yes. And now only you know what you want for life. You are the only one that know what you want in life. Nobody know your mind. I don't know your mind. I don't know what you they plan for your mind. I know say some people say, you they go do IVF, go do this, go do that. But nobody know exactly what she wants or what she did do for her or what is the plan to do. Inedo, now woman, she have a womb, but a womb not carry pikin. A womb not carry pikin. What did she can do? She decide to pay somebody to help her with her egg, with proper arrangements, with proper documentation, with proper lawyer to sign. That person can never claim that pikin. That is why where that pikin come out, it resemble Ine Edo. Where? How many people for Ine Edo family or Ine Edo tribe people or a community don't come out, come use and take more can? Tell me, how many have you guys seen it on social media? If you see it, say yes. Una don't see it. Put a comment there. Let me read the comments. How many people for that community of Ine Edo community, or the language, or even the people where they got the art movie, don't comment for live video, come mock am. Say Ine Edo, change, where you dey craze, you not get womb. How many people don't comment or who can't do the live video, can't take mock am? I never watch them. I never see such video. I never see them. The only thing, the only video where they sing is congratulations to her. If na Edo person do that thing, ew, Jesus. Before that person go kill that pikin, you no go know. Before that person you carry knife, go take kill that pikin, she not go know. As we will be Edo people, some get evil mouths and evil mind. Before they will come out, the way they will take mock and that person no way where she will go take kill that pikin or go hang herself safe. Or they say, I be this thing, I do so na bad thing. Meanwhile, not be bad, na good thing. She be do. There are different ways. This IVF way na they talk. So you don't say some people will be do and safe. They will do it. It's not going to work. Yes, they go waste money. And not be everybody safe if you get the money to even do the IVF. Where you take mock one person, now you take mock all the women where they cry for God, may God bless them with pikin. Where you take mock one person, now you take mock the rest women where they see they wait for God. Yes. You guys don't let the rock of God to strike you guys. Even the Bible, don't forget the people name. When one come they born, where the other one never born. The other one will they call, the other one Hagan, barren woman, did that, do. That one will they cry. If she go they cry, God, why do you turn your back away from me? God, where are you? God, oh God. Where God decide to answer that one prayer. That person will come the mock am. All her children come die for her one by one. Until she come back come on for that house with empty handed. Without no children anymore. My people, please, we should stop all this. Do your saga. Give guys name. As now they call guys name. Because after all, the guys will not be rude and neighbor. Say all sorts of rubbish. It's okay. That's fine. Juicy picking. You are laying cost on you, on yourself. You are laying cost on your children, direct and indirect. Direct or indirect. It's just that there are many ways to have children. If you wish to have one, there are many ways to have children. If you wish, there are some people that will pay you, say, let me carry pikin. Let me carry the pikin. A day. So go buy egg. There are many things how to born if you wish to have. Where you have your money. And also no be money. There be a problem. And I also know one day, hey, This Ijore, the day when she go born, the kind dance wey me will come dance for live video, the kind champagne wey I will come pour for live video. The same thing she and Sarah the T-Boss. I don't know, maybe na nakedness I'll come to dance that day. Say thank God. Maybe nakedness. Now I'll come to come out, come to thank God for the life. These two people. Also with Dion Osaigi. Because these are the three people who say that they use Pekin till they laugh. No one lab monfo no gerwao. No one lab monfo no gerwao. They'll come out, they making noise as he say they are God that can that give children. I greet you, Ada. Good afternoon or good evening. No one lab monfo no gerwao. Enough is enough. Be wise. Be careful before the wrath of God will fall on you guys. God is angry. When they were still mocking me at that time, and the blind, the juju people, the juju men where they go for my sake, if it disappoints them. It disappoints my evil sister. Disappoint the people who gather gang up. Bible says, if God be for you, who can be against you? No. When I was still pregnant, I was in my house. I did my house here. They were still calling barren woman. Jennifer Collins, the barren woman. I get belly. They never see. They be blind. The juju man where they go to call. That one see blind. For my sake. I can't carry belly, reach 9 months. I can't push. I can't burn. They see blind. They never say I don't see burn. Now when I decide say I'm not post picture, now I take post. And the thing shocked them. They nearly die. They die, wake up. They die and they wake up. My useless and stupid sister die. She wake up. That one, they say she faint. Where she did say they can't use water till they wake up. When she just open Facebook, they say that one just die. Say she even faint now. Picking can't put water for her body. Mommy wake up. Mommy wake up. Say hey, you say now this and so she do that time because she was for her life. She never believe. She don't believe one day say me God will come bless me again. She think say it don't over. She think say she don't disgrace me to the whole world. She think say the wish and lizard where they Facebook. They don't see that. But you can't forget to say if you wish, see they look matter before they kill or judge. If you wish, we'll see carry matter go cover. They'll go see ask what it happen. What did this girl do? They see they ask question. Yes. Even devil himself, see they ask question. Thank you, Ifoma. Thank you, ma. Even devil himself, see they ask question. Say, what did this person do? Whoa. If even judge lie, they'll see use lie to look. If what you judge so, not truth. Even juju place where you see go. If you see tell that juju man lie, if that juju man swear, the swear not go reach because that juju will go turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, look. You're gonna say, this person are innocent. That juju will come turn back to the owner. That's how it be. That's how it be. Even God Almighty, you see, they look at people's hearts till they judge, till they do something. And those that call themselves mother, call themselves mother, they all call people name and laugh people like say they be God. Exactly. Exactly. Ijore, my sister, I feel your pain. I love you. I feel your pain. Don't worry. God will bless you. You will carry your picky. Sarah, and then we are be megas there 2 days. Yes, we are be me. She be now your own and say wombless. Sarah the wombless. But Sarah, yat your bomb. Sarah beg, yat your bomb. Lao.
You tell me if that's ready.
Okay, I will bring it down. Sarah, yat your bomb. Lao. That one. My beautiful people, please, stop all these things, eh? Stop it. We want to talk about the other lady, something, or more, but I don't want to put this video. I don't want to make this video too long. Maybe I will talk about Omo next time. Now, it's only person will never go through pains. Some people they picking when they add them at all. Why some day miscarriage? Why some day they never take it? Why some I said na my time, let me tell you no. You know how many people they cry? They cry for inside the house, they pray God. My phone call, they go to call me. Jenny. Some say I don't get this, I don't get egg. I don't do this. Many like that. Please, my people, enough is enough. Please, if you want to insult anybody where you never get picking, if you insult them, insult that person. Cause if papa and mama cause all our generation, but come out picking out of it. Yes, come out picking out of it. If I know so not get any audio or video, we are don't fair do fair to insult people children. Go and bring it out. You know they don't get time. They don't even have it. That is why God bless me. God surprised me. And the thing shocked them. If they cry, they will die, they wake up. God said, I will bless you in the presence of your enemy. Presence of your enemy. Now God said, bless me. For where my enemy did, he blessed me. I don't want to take on that time. Sometimes if I talk, I do always use myself to make example. To say that one, agan. On ye, me mo biye. Agan no ma biye. Agan no ma biye. A wombless sidan. A wombless. I don't know where wombless dey for say dictionary. Where span waster, I don't know where them are there for a dictionary. Who else again? I remember ye Kenya, I don't know where them are there. Names. That is why when I born the whole world celebrate me. We God bless you now. Those will celebrate me, all of now will celebrate me. I don't know them. Those all the commenters. Fake accounts, people will celebrate me. I don't even know them. Even recently, I see they see some videos. This person, I don't know him. I never come across her for Facebook before. I don't know say the whole world everywhere full Facebook, YouTube, now so Ijoro will see B. I saw this even Sarah go see B. The day where Ijoro go born, the whole world will finish now. Yeah, I said it. A phone already that day. Yet him with phone. You see one say, I'm 47 now, but I still put hope in God. Why? God will do it for you, sis. Mama, God will do it for you. He will bless you. Don't worry. He will remember you soon. I take how David Rabie. Ama obiera wo. Who we think say a David go vi fi bon. Maybe 50 years old woman. They the bon na. They get belle. 50. I remember one of my sister's friend. 53 years. Then she take bon. But not through IVF. Hey, again. Let me check her food. I'm coming, guys. Guys, I'm coming. Let me judge this food. Give it Daddy. Baba. Baba. I'm coming now. Yeah. Mommy. Yeah. It's fine. It's one. It's one. Yeah, so my people. When we come to go jare, you know. So in life, you know good when we say any small thing, monk. That woman, 53 years, now she take born, na IVF, na teacher. There are many people where we say, what is it called? And they see for Facebook, 50 years, 60 years. They don't give up. They see put hope for God. Let's say, na Ijore unukbo weje. Abe konte unukbo weje. Ijore no reach 45. She maybe reach 43 or 42. Maybe if Ijore be too much, say she too old. Maybe from 38 to 40. Or if you don't old, like if I like, I mean, her age. Do you understand? Her age. You guys should stop it. It's not fair. It's not nice. Emma. So, my beautiful people, me we talk about Don Richie. I be me we leave and me we talk. Me we. It's not really easy what everyone see waiting for the fruit of the womb is going through life. Let me read this comment. Not easy. Yeah, you know, say everybody according to Yahweh, everybody will sleep for bed. Everybody will put it for different place. For this life, now so it be. Some people did or you they say some people they now documents go they had day. Oh, I don't get documents. Why Sunday? Picking? Why Sunday money? Why Sunday husband? Why Sunday wife? Son? Different thing they different thing people they suffer for this life. Different thing. So different thing. But I also understand they say like according to them they say picking and money not they waka together. That parable for Benin and life. No we always say picking and money not they follow one place and life. Because if you get money, if Pikin come, your Pikin will live good life. Your Pikin will do okay. So if you want pursue career or pursue money, it's fine. But that will not stop her not to get Pikin or not to think about how to born. But one thing we will say, Not hello, Alice. I greet you. One thing we be say I want her to do. Fine say Iyore she love live video. Only problem she have a plan. She knows what she wants. She know what she wants. She is not a baby. And again for this life. Oh, now for months, now lie. I don't understand that which one be all now for months. And for this life, not be everybody come this life come born. You see they like that. No if you say my beer, no be. In fact, even now they say I'm your gun. Because nobody will be a gun, nobody will be buried. If worse comes to worse, you'll go adult speaking. Yes, adoption. If worse comes to worse, you go adopt pikin now. Then they see pikin on 2 months old, 3 months old, 6 months, 1 year. You adopt her, kind of like your pikin. Train her, make her look say yes. Now you born her, show her that love like mother love. That pikin will grow to call you mother. That pikin will grow to call you father. And that pikin will grow to love you. That pikin will grow to take care of you. That's what it be. I know one of my in-law, inside in-law, he adopted two girls. 2 beautiful girls. Those girls, for their life, they can never pour again. Because the kind of things where that man get, that Oyibo gets. Those 2 girls where the man adopt, they not go pour again for life. Their life don't better. This the life don't better. I greet you, Kelly. I greet you. Yes. Not only we Africa to say, adoption is very good. Some people go born, they will see adopt. Me go do one. Yes. Say pikin and money not they follow together. Na lie na ma. Yes, na lie na ma. That one I just know. Those do parable. Oh well, more we working. Okay, which one come here? Na pikin and this come they waka they go. Property come they waka together. I'm not pikin. Property. Oh my God. Adoption not good. Me get. Adoption good though. Why not? Oh, look at this May. Okay. You see now this day is too. That if you can't do that, you can't do that topic. I not put time for here because we have to do this topic to let me tell you, right from time, me I love adoption to adopt. I love it. Little way. I'm not lie to you, I love her, man. I'm not lie to you. Hello, Mercy. Good evening. She's fine. I go lie to now. Nobody even knows say whether me even get. Una know whether I get one. Oh, now I know that I get one where they change for back home. No. Me, I love her where. I love. Go see people. Forget, I beg my brother, my sister who put that comment. It's not a bad thing. Now let you Africa but not be bad something. Adopt it maybe 2 months old, 3 months old, 6 months old, 1 year. Money, if you get one story, I could tell you this story before I go off this video. A woman have children. This woman na Benin woman, he can't adopt one pikin. Could it be the one where she even adopt? Never love her past, the one where she carry for 9 months. Do you know? Did you know? Say the one where she even adopts, never love and pass the one with her where she carry for 9 months. And if I forget to, now we Africa, they think say, adoption, who takes me? If I get money, the kind of people, how many people we are go adults, they go past 10 for that Bini. I'm telling you. If you come and bowa ni ha. If you come and bowa, if one of those our people will take care of them for me. I will set camera everywhere. The room on the toilet will be everywhere. If I make sense to the beat those speaking, get the ticket you are wearing and you have via yes. And don't pick your non understand this your comment so. So you understand? Nothing wrong with it, so don't deceive adoption not good. It is good. Nothing wrong with it. It's good. Now we Africa they think say no, it's good. It's good. Me, I go adopt this 3 or 4. That year, me talk when I go adopt this 3 or 4. Because most children here you are there your mind go dey gain you. Oh, see what this speaking. I go adopt this 3 or 4. Yes, that's what it be. So my people, I can't leave na so see na some talk can reach. Yore and worry. So but no way me, you still remember you. The God will remember Jennifer, he will still remember you. The God will remember the rest women, will still remember you. God will remember everybody who they look for picking. God will remember everybody who they look for picking. Don't give up. Keep on praying. Keep on praying. Do your best and leave the rest for God. Not only one they give picking. Some people they never even get womb. God will still bless them. They'll get belly. Before I forget, I could talk this one. A lady did Nigeria at that time. When she do abortion. I don't know what it can happen. Because say she not get womb again. If mama do everything, no way mama not go. Do different juju, do this, do that. Now the girl can for person we want can travel, we go can travel after all. She not get womb again and everything. So what you want to do for Nigeria? Make you come and just travel, come out, go abroad. Make she look for trolley. But a mother, a very good mother, a mother, a person where they work out well for picking. We will say it go tie the pa for picking. Neither woman be that time. This person not get womb. This is not when a movie. No, it's a life story. Now my girlfriend and my paddy friend, now our friends. That one our best friend for Nigeria. Could you believe the person will not get womb? Where doctor even confirm and say she not get womb to even carry belly. She not get womb to carry belly. After this girl can look for somebody where a man can travel. She no see. After by a year or so, she not gonna see her period. Now she can't go tell her friends say, Okay. She asked me she waited he do to abuse for France. Now he come the full so she will suffer. He took abuse and collect her money without marry. Really, I never thought the matter yet, bros. I never thought the matter. I will talk the matter. I know you like women video the long. I don't spend about 1 hour here now. Which not can see a period, my people, this story so. Where they talk so. True life story. Let's go tell my friend, say, she don't see a period though. Okay, make we go do test. And the conference say, she get belly. This lady, and she stubborn rich, she says she want to go do her abortion. My friend wants to say, Abo, you a daughter talk say you not get womb to carry pikin. You want to do abortion, that my friend can go wrong. Go tell her mother. Say, EJ, on her or we because her mother do many sacrifice. Midnight sacrifice, say they'll say go put something for road like 1 o'clock. As her mother love that her pikin rich because na firstborn. My friend can go wrong, go meet her mom. Her mom can wrong, go meet her. Her mom can hold her, can lay down, can they cry. I beg, if you like no give you belly. She go carry this pikin, she go train her. La wo we me la wo. Manomona. La wo you want to say she no get womb again. Doctor confirm say you no get womb. Her mother cry. Her mother cry. Her mother cry. If I tell una person way the confirm say she no get womb, she have 4 children today. 4 children. This person, no be say now one kind big Christian say they go church morning, afternoon, evening. No. God can bless anybody. My brother, God can bless anybody. If you not art, not God they see. God they search hearts. God know they look face. He know they look your fineness. He know they look your slimness. He know they look your body. You know they look the money where you get or where you not get. God they look your hearts. God they search people hearts. Good hearts, now God they bless. No matter what they will say about you, you can see no matter whatever they say about you on social media, because those things were just they just how about they talk on? They lie. They trying to forge everything way in no real. Now the evil sister way turn herself to single mother. You know. So they say all sorts of nonsense. Because what they said is not truth. God search my heart. He see my heart. Oh wait. Yeah. Take. God they search people's hearts. He don't care who you be. Whether you they go church or you know they go church. No. God don't look that. God don't look that. Person wey doctor confirm say she no get womb. Now he get 4 children today. Doctor say you. We go come watch this program. You will have yours. God will bless you for the fruit of the womb. Don't give up. Don't ever give up in life. There are many stories like this, many testimonies like this. There are many stories like this. Please, guys. That's what we'll talk on this for now. I just spent about 1 hour 20 minutes now. God bless you all. Facebook family, thank you all for being here. Thank you for the love and the like. Please like and follow this page. And God bless you. I'll catch you guys again. I want to talk about Don Rishi and the Omowuye, but I will talk about maybe like tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Facebook.